through terminology and psychology. You still expect me to accept do what I say off the TDK with the button on record and the other on play. Thus I press pause for a serious cause to respect and intellect with the gratifying. Now that I'm ready, let the music begin as I dictate what I wrote with my PowerPoint. Through the time that I spent, the money that I let, rap records went up just about 8 cents. Then it came a new way to getting paid. They said rhyming on the mic is the #1 trade. When the brother get the feeling that he wanna play cool, the discombobulated diabolical fool, oh bless him, go play in the mud. You know, 20th, another century, modern day, was a chud, was a cannibal, humanoid, underground dweller. Chud broke loose from the goddamn cellar. Dope fiend addict, while you walk, while you're wrong, with the quiet immune deficiency syndrome. When the MCs came to live out their name, most rocked the rhymes, that was all the same. And when I elevated the master of the time, you were stimulated from the high folks rhyme. You got shot because you knew you were rock, like the sucker MC, off my block, talking to you, your MC crew. And I speak about one, speaking about two, speaking about the good, I swear they can rhyme. Want to battle the guard, you lose every time. You take the point inside my box, just look my door cells, and you did not rock. Well, it's not my style or your profile. It's just a period of time that rocks for a while. See, I be the motivating, dominating, supreme force, the cultivating, activating, cream and sauce, the wise educated, and I'm born to be the UNI to the QUE. Yo, peace. Dirt bass out, kid.
Style.
Oh my God.